Okay, Dr. Kim here, the Hammer. Let me show you the progress I've made so far. Connected the black over here and the green. Over here you got the purple connect to the cap on that side, and the red wire connect to the cap on this side. And then this where is that? Right here, the blue wire is going to go right into that hole, that spot, and the yellow that goes to the fuse here will go right here on this right here. So these other ones are done. They're tight and they're ready to go. I just got to do one more. Then I'm waiting on one more part. 270 ohm resistor, wire round resistor that goes right here. And then this amp will be ready to try out. Okay, till the next video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.